How to add products to stanstore. So in order to add products, you need to first create the store on Stan by going to stan.store and clicking on the sign up option or this continue option in order to create an account. Just proceed to add your details there. Now onto this part, you can also proceed to log in by clicking on this login option if you already have an account. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in. Here is my stanstore. Now, in order to add a product, click onto this other product onto the setup, or you can also head over to my store option and then add products from this part. So click on this option, choose right here the product type that you wish to do. For example, let's input right here a particular product that you want. Let's choose in here the digital product. Just choose in here what kind of type and it will open this window. With this, you can pick a style of how it will look like. It can be a free view, a call out, or a button. Select in here an image for the thumbnail. Just click on choose. Upload an image right here or choosing here from the library. So for example, let's input right here this as a placeholder. Now from in there, head over and choose that. Now add in here a text for that. For example, let's input right here, get my coaching course right here. Input right here the subtitle, the button, and from in there you can also add in here the options. Add in here some reviews, affiliate shares, confirmation email, change how the checkout page will look like. You can generate description using AI as well. Now you can also collect info based on this, and for this part as well you can change how it's gonna be priced. Once you're done with everything right here, proceed to click on this publish option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.